So welcome to 13.6. We're going to apply area problems to the real world. So Karen wanted to put carpet in her living room with the given dimensions. Find the area. Well, the area, it's a rectangle, right? So we're going to find the area by doing base times height or length times width, which is just 15 times 8. And 15 times 8 is 40. 5 times 8 is 40. And so it's 120 square feet. Now notice, all right, so when you go to the store to buy carpet, it's going to be priced, the unit price, this is $14, $4 for a square foot. That's the unit rate for the carpet. And it will actually say the words square foot, or will have this symbol. And so if it's $4 for each square foot and there's 120 square feet, notice the units, like unit conversions, cancel here. And look what you're left with, dollars. And so 120 times 4 is $480. If I have to buy 120 square feet of carpet at $4 a square foot, it's $480. Right, so this tile here, it costs $3 per square foot. Find the cost. So it's 2.5 times 8, right? So you could do it with a decimal, but we also could go 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 halves times 8. Again, fractions are your friends. Oh, look, it's 20 square feet. 20 square feet times $3 per square foot. It's $60. And again, don't buy exactly the amount you need. When you really do this, buy 10% more. So, right? So you wouldn't buy 20 square feet. You might buy 10% more than 20 is 2. So you buy 22 square feet at $3. You spend an extra $6, but then you have extra tile for cutting and mistakes. Right? So vinyl flooring, by the way, is often the cheapest. There's actually very nice vinyl flooring now. When I made this, it was very cheap, 75 cents a square foot. Now we have to find the square footage, right? So we're going to draw a line. I'm going to make a square here and a rectangle here. My rectangle looks like it's 20 by 10 or 200 square feet. My square looks like it's 10 by 10. So it's 100 square feet. And so, oh, nice and easy, 300 square feet of vinyl flooring I have to buy. Now it's 300 square feet times 75 cents per square foot. I step over, move it up twice. I'm a little sloppy there, but it's $225, right? Let's just show this again. It's 75 cents per square foot times the square footage, 300 square feet. The square feet cancel. You get dollars, $225. Wendy wants to retile a rectangular 6 by 8 room. The tiles she wants to buy are 2 feet by 2 feet. How many tiles should she buy? So we could literally like draw these in, right? There's one. Right there. Let's do it in sort of a checkerboard pattern here, right? So here are the tiles, right? And you'd put them in, but it's right. It's 1, 2, 3 tiles by 4 tiles. So 3 by 4, she should buy exactly 12 tiles. We can see it there. Let's do the math here. Right? The floor is 6 by 8, 48 square feet. These are 4 square feet, right? So this is a division problem as opposed to a multiplication problem. 48 square feet divided by 4 square feet equals, like those both cancels. That's 12 tiles. It's 12 tiles you need to buy. And there they are. All right, so let's do another one of those. All right, so this is 6 by 9. So 6 by 9, 6 times 9 is 54. So there's 54 square feet there. This tile is 2 by 3, 6 square feet. So 54 square feet divided by 6 square feet, we should be able to cover it with 9 tiles. Let's see if that's true. All right, I'll do it in blue since it's blue. All right, there's one. I'm going to do it. Right? Once I do that, I think, right, we're going to cover all of them, not on a checkerboard, but I'm doing I think the checkerboard makes it easier to see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that would fit on top of there. And there are the 9 tiles. All right, so we're going to paint. This is supposed to look like the side of the house, I think. And it turns out that 1 can of paint can cover 50 square feet. So the unit right here is 50 square feet for 1 can. How many whole number cans of paint will it take to paint the figure shown, right? You know, if it doesn't come out as a nice whole number in our answer, we're going to need one, you know, we're going to have the extra paint left over, right? We want more paint than we need. Okay. So let's break this up. I see a rectangle. So the rectangle is 8 times 5, 40 square feet. The triangle on the top, remembering it's 1/2 base times height. The base is 8 because it's the other side of the rectangle. 1/2 times 8 times 4, the height straight up to the top. And so you can cancel, and this is 16 square feet. So you add those together, and you get 56 square feet. Now, so the whole thing is 56 square feet. 1 can of paint covers 50 square feet. So how many cans are you going to do? Well, you could sit there and do the division, but why would you? Right? 50 will not cover it, so we have to buy 2 cans, right? We're going to have a whole bunch of extra paint. And that's why when you do a paint job at your house, you usually, almost always, end up with a bunch of extra cans sitting somewhere in the garage or wherever. All right, so all areas are measured in square units. So unit conversions, this still works. So notice that 1 yard, let's just go over this. All right, 1 yard equals 3 feet. And so 1 square yard, I didn't draw a square, it was a rectangle, right? If you have a square that's 1 yard by 1 yard, that's 1 square yard, right? That's this, and that's how you say that. But then 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So it's also 3 feet by 3 feet. 3 feet by 3 feet is 9 square feet. So 1 square yard equals 9 square feet. That's how it works. Okay? So if you have to convert 54 square feet, right, just same way, we're going to cancel the square feet. 1 square yard here. So 54 square feet is 6 square yards. 8 square yards, therefore, is how many square feet? Now, the 1 square yard has to go on the bottom. The 9 has to go on the top. The square yards cancel, and you get 72 square feet. That's how it works. Brian measured his living room in feet, but carpet at the store was measured in square yards. This is a totally true thing that happens to people who want to buy carpet. Find the area in square yards. All right, so he measured 18 times 10, right? So 18 times 10 is 180. That's 180 square feet. Now he's at the store, and he realizes carpet's sold in square yards, so he has to convert. So 9 square feet for every 1 square yard. Those cancel. Oh, nicely, 9 goes into 18 twice, and then the extra 0. So you have to buy 20 square yards. And again, you don't buy exactly that. You buy a little bit extra for cutting and fitting and all that sort of thing. So let's practice. Ooh, circle. Lisa wants to buy carpet in the shape of a circle with a diameter of 10 feet. If the carpet is $7 per square foot, estimate the cost. Okay, you may use 3 for pi, right? Say you're at the store and want to do this. You're going to get out a piece of paper. Well, maybe you get out your phone and use 3.14 nowadays. But let's see. So the area is pi times the radius squared. So we're going to use 3 to make our life easier. What's the radius here? The radius is 5 feet. So it's 3 times 5 squared. which is 25, 75. So we have to buy 75 square feet of carpet. The carpet is $7 per square foot, right? It's 75, just to show it, 75 square feet now, times 1 square foot. Whoops, I'm confusing two problems. $7 per square foot, and 5 times 7 is 35. 49 plus 3 is 52. It's 525 square feet. Now, there is a problem with this calculation, and the reality is this. That is the answer. All right. Carpet is not sold in circles, right? So, yeah, you could do it that way if you want a piece, but if you want one big solid piece, it's going to come in a square, right? So what would be the area of that square? Well, it would be 10 feet by 10 feet. To get, all right. Oh, this is not square feet. Oh my goodness, it would be $525. Sorry. I even wrote the units and I still wrote it wrong, $525. But in reality, I think you're going to have to buy 100 square feet to get that and then cut that circle out of it. And 100 square feet. So instead of spending $525, you're going to spend $700 because you're going to have to buy 100 square feet, 10 by 10, instead of the 75 square feet of the circle. If one can of paint can cover 50 square feet of that, same thing we had before, how many whole number cans of paint will it take to paint the wall shown below? Well, the wall is 160 square feet. Okay, 10 times 16 divided by the 50 square feet. Well, 3 cans will make 150, right? This is 3 and 10/50, or 3 and 1/5, right? So we're going to need, we want to have extra, we're going to have to buy 4 cans, because 3 cans only will paint 150. And you'll have this little unpainted part here. So you have to buy 4 cans of paint. All right, so in square feet, it's 12 times 6, 72 square feet. 72 square feet, and it's 19 square feet for every 1 square yard. 72 square feet is 8 square yards. Good luck with the homework.